that you finish typing your statement, I want you to notice up here at the top of beside the section editor words, there are some buttons that say Save Changes or Save and Finish. I want you to click Save Changes. That's almost the same as clicking Save. It's just saving what you've just typed, and it's keeping that information in the same, it's keeping you in the same window or same section. Okay? So now I'm going to ask you to scroll down a little more, and you'll see two things that say Image and File Attachments. The first thing we're going to work with is the inserted image. So click Edit. Raise your hand if you don't see the Edit button. Be sure that you are in the Insert Image section. So Insert Image should be showing right there. The image that we're going to insert is your screenshot that we did last week. And it's actually an image or a picture. So it's a new file. You know, you probably don't have any files down here in this list. I have a bunch. You're going to click Upload a New File, and then Browse. And then what you see is possibly very familiar to you compared to what you've seen in other places. Where did we store that EdTech folder screenshot? So I'm going to go to Computer, and I'm going to find our drive. I'm going to find my EdTech folder. And then I'm going to find my screenshot. And I want you to notice that we said you should save it as Screenshot EdTech folder, but I want you to also notice that the type will be listed over here, and it should be saved as a JPEG image. Smartboard's not working correctly. So you want to click on Screenshot EdTech folder, and you can double click or you can click Open. And now it's loading that screenshot, and since it's a picture, it takes it a minute, and now it's 100% loaded, and then it's going to show us a preview of what we've just loaded. So yours should look similar to mine. So you should see a little preview out here, and you should see the actual file, and it should end in a JPG if you follow the directions. Next thing I want you to do is skip caption. You don't have to put a caption. Where it says display size, click the drop down arrow. Your first choice always is medium, but medium is not an option on mine. You might be seeing medium. If medium is not an option, then go for small, because probably what's happened is that the original screenshot is too small for medium to even be an option. Placement, I'm going to click on that drop down arrow, and I want to click below text. Now I want to click below text because the text that's being referred to there is that statement that we just typed. Okay? So when we click below text, that means that this image is then going to appear below our statement. Okay? So now we're going to click, let's go ahead and click Save and Finish, because we're finished in this window, and it should take us back to the section editor. Okay? So if I just clicked Save, it would probably give me the option to attach a file. I'm going to click Edit, and now I'm back in my section editor. File attachment down at the bottom of the screen, and the file that I'm going to attach is that actual copy of the screenshot directions. And I don't think we have a copy of that in your EdTech folder. I'm going to tell you about that in just a minute, but I'm going to show you how to do it first. So, inserted file, click Edit. We're almost repeating just did. We're going to upload a new file, browse, and yours, I don't think we did this in your class. I don't think we attached it in your EdTech folder. Is it there? No. Okay, so we'll get there in just a minute. But then I would, if it were in my EdTech folder, I would click PC screenshot, open. It's going to load that attachment. And now I can save and finish. So now this is what yours will look like before you're ready to submit. You'll have your statement, your screenshot, and you'll have the PC screenshot directions attached. Okay? So